Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to unsend all Instagram messages at once. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So I'm going to sending some dummy message here, and now let's see how to unsend these messages. So if I tap any of them, and here we can see no option to select or delete all messages at once. All you have to need, we need to unsend messages one by one. So select message and tap on unsend, unsend, unsend. So you have to unsend messages one by one, and that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.